Blast Furnace Blues presented by Highmark Blue Shield. We need video ideas to promote our headliner, Robert Randolph and the Family Band. What do you got?
All right, so like we go to downtown Bethlehem, and we see like if there's people that are lost, they don't know where they're going. So we ask them we're like, hey, do you need directions so you can go in the right direction?
Seriously? No.
Okay, so we go around the office, and we have like a picture of a puppy, and we're like, do you have a problem with this? And they were like, no, there ain't nothing wrong with that.
Because, we want people to come see Robert Randolph.
We'd use those ideas if I had my way. We'd use those video ideas. Do you get it?
I'm gonna go back to work.